Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack the RAR files and zip files on your Sony Xperia Pro I using the app called RAR. So I have the app opened and I'm gonna unpack something in my pictures. So I'm going to DCMI, IM and then Photography Pro, and here I have the RAR file. Now I'm gonna press on it and I will need to enter the password for the RAR file because I've set up the password before, and the password is 123. Press OK, and from here to unpack the file we'll need to select it right here with this icon right there. Now press on the icon next to the plus one with an arrow pointing up, and from here you can set the path for the file where it will be extracted. So I'm not gonna change any of the settings because I don't need to. I'm gonna keep broken files and do not extract the paths enabled, just to make it easy, because who knows, maybe file is broken. And now destination path or browse, and then select the path where the files will be unpacked. I want them in the download folder. Press OK, then OK again. And now if we go to our download folder, which we've been a second ago, we have the picture right here, which was inside the RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.